Oh boy. Fucking solo guy out here. I don't think you should have followed me all the way up here. He's a really good boy though. Oh boy. Fucking badass old man. I hope this dog does not follow me. Please do not be following me, dog. Oh my God, this doggy followed me down here into this hole. So now we gotta go up. So our other option is a 12K exit. I don't think this old man can handle the mileage. I'm talking about the dog, not me. I give this guy all my meat snacks. Hey, let's go. Wow, that's so sick. Good boy. Oh yeah, good boy. You're a badass, old man. A few easy miles for you. If I crash, we crash. Good boy. Did you like that? He was flying. Yeah. Good boy. We're back in Ushguli. We officially made it. What a fucking badass dog that guy is. Earned it. You earned it. You earned it. Go ahead. Good dog.